The very fabric of our culture is woven with threads of dance, music and art. Most of the Republic Day parade, as you would have witnessed over the years, has a series of activities, events or tableaus. So we started with the March Past, which is an essential part of the Republic Day parade. Now we have our mythological stories that have been presented in various dance and music forms from times immemorial. We present before you one such beautiful thread, a brief Harikatha with a reference from the south. Please give a round of applause for Ramani, Satyamurthy and Vijayalakshmi.
Punya